The atom and God, a spiritual analogy. Everything in existence was created by God to reveal His presence through nature. Every part of creation tells us something about God. Nature itself is the book written by God. The universe declares His greatness. The water reflects His mercy. The soil shows He is the provider. And the air reminds us that He is the giver of life. Just as nature reveals the Creator, even the atom, the smallest building block of all matter, also speaks about God's existence and His nature. From a scientific point of view, everything visible in the universe is made of atoms. From a spiritual point of view, everything is made by God. This parallel gives us a beautiful analogy. The atom represents God in a symbolic way. God is three in one, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Similarly, the atom is three in one, composed of the neutron, the proton, and nuclear energy. Let's explore this in three parts. In name, God is the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. The atom is the neutron, the proton, and nuclear energy. In body, each person of God has His own presence, the Father, the Son, and the Spirit. Likewise, in the atom, the neutron, proton, and nuclear energy each have their own role within the nucleus. In duty, the Father gives life, the Son is born, and the Holy Spirit gives power. In the atom, the neutron gives body and stability, the proton gives identity, defining what element it is, and nuclear energy holds everything together. Notice that I use nuclear energy as the third part, not the electron. In the center of the atom, the nucleus, there is no electron. Only the three main components exist: the neutron, the proton, and nuclear energy. Science still cannot fully understand this third component because it is pure energy, invisible to the most advanced technology. But in my philosophy, energy has mass, though it cannot be seen. Einstein's equation, E=mc2, shows that energy and mass are two sides of the same coin. One can transform into the other. This means energy does have mass, even if it cannot be directly detected. To make it easier to imagine, think of a husband and wife. The husband can represent the proton and the wife the neutron. What keeps them together is love, invisible but powerful. That love is the perfect symbol of the nuclear energy that binds the neutron and proton. Now, think of the nucleus as the throne of God, where these three exist together as one. The electron, moving around the nucleus, can represent the Spirit of God that fills the universe and connects everything to the Creator, just as electrons connect atoms to one another. In the quantum world, electrons move around the nucleus because they cannot exist without it. In our universe, people move around the church. Take the church as a nucleus, and the proton, neutron, and energy as the Holy Trinity. The electrons moving around the nucleus represent people moving around the church.